Hello guys, Adrian here from AppSeed. Thanks for watching. During this video I will explain how to use the platform and generate a simple dashboard and later deploy the product on Heroku using the instruction provided in the README file. So let's access the generator page where the users can choose from multiple designs. I will choose this one because it's super popular among AppSeed users. You can choose between Flask and Django. I will use Flask for this because it's lightweight and I really like this framework that, by the way, empowers AppSeed at this moment. So I will select here. The user can choose the database type between SQLite, MySQL or none. In this case I will use the defaults, and here on deployment part I will choose Heroku. The next step is to visualize all the options and click generate. Once the server accepts the request, we need to wait for the sources to be available. Usually the zip archive is accessed faster because it's generated locally, and GitHub sources will take a while because the new sources are uploaded to GitHub. Let's access the generated repo. We can see here that this file, for instance, was generated 27 seconds ago. So this GitHub account has all the generated projects provided by AppSeed, and in less than 1 month we've generated more than 800 projects. Let's check out the progress. So the progress is almost finished. Success. So the sources are uploaded to GitHub. We can use it from this point. I will use Gitku to clone up the sources, and VS Code to visualize the code and to type all the necessary commands. Codes. Okay. So the application structure is super simple. We have here an apps folder where all the other applications lives. Authentication app handles authentication. Home is just a wrapper over the pages and components provided by UI Kit. Templates has all the components and the HTML files. So it's a super simple structure. Now let's go back to the generated projects and follow up the instructions from the README file. So we have here a section named deploy app with Heroku that explain all the necessary steps to put the application up and running and deploy it with ease. So the first step is to clone the sources. We already did this step. The second command is to authenticate into a Heroku ecosystem using the terminal. Okay. So Heroku will ask us to connect the terminal with our online account. So looks good. You will see here the account you are authenticated on Heroku. In case you don't have an account, you need to create an account on Heroku in order to use the platform. Okay, so the third step is to create the product into Heroku ecosystem. Okay, so our future application will be deployed under this name, Cryptic Springs whatever. The next step is to push the sources generated by AppSeed into the Heroku ecosystem, into Heroku platform. This might take a while because the sources are saved and also the application is built all the modules are downloaded and compiled into a Heroku environment. Okay, all looks good. So the next step is to set up the environment for our application. Usually the application reads the environment from dot environment file, but Heroku ignores this file, and we need to set up explicitly the all variables from the environment file shipped in the root of the product. So we need to go here where the application is already registered into Heroku platform. We need to go here to the settings, and there is a section called config vars. Let's add all the variables from the .environment file here. Okay, you need to do this step only once, so it's not a hard job to be done. Okay, and the last one, which is optional, is the SS root. Cool. Now the application is has the environment, the sources are uploaded and compiled successfully into Heroku platform. Let's open up the application. Heroku open is the command that will open the browser and let us interact with the newly created application. So this is the application generated by AppSeed a few minutes ago. Let's try to log in. The application by default is not provided any default user, so we need to sign up and create a new one. Yes, of course you can use your credentials. So it looks good. The application, the user is registered, so that's super nice. The application is up and running. We can access it and we can move on with other features. Another useful command is to access the Heroku logs in case we have issues. So it's the here Heroku logs with the tail argument. Once we invoke the Heroku logs command, we will see all the requests that our application executes. So guys, thanks for watching. Let us know if this tutorial is useful or can be improved. For newcomers, AppSeed it's used for more than 5K developers. We are in the market for more than 2 years. Our products are getting mature every day. So we provide free support for registered users using the email and also Discord. So let us know what you think, and thanks for watching and have a super day. Bye.